Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's the opening of the Olympics in France. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on Friday, July the 26th, 2024, we have here 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and the Killer Sudoku. These 3 puzzles I will do this afternoon, and in the evening, yes, we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. Alright. Let me see here. Oh. Come on. Alright. First one is a 3 Stars Sudoku. And this will be number. This will be number 8967. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits, yes. The publisher has indicated with 3 stars. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 26, should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 4 missing numbers in this middle row? One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in the middle row. Should be there. So 3 missing numbers are left in the middle row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7. Oh, no. This should be a 9. Oh, almost made a mistake. The first digit. Yeah, these 3 boxes can be a 9, so 1 box left for the 9 in the middle row should be here. So 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Look, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the second column, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be here. So 3 and 4 are left. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3, 3. Okay. Then, let me see. 2, 2, and alright. Need a 2 here. Well, come on. This is taking too long. Need a 1 here, 1. Need a 3 there. Well, in this middle column, we need a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. These 2 boxes can be 5. We have a 5 in this big square. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this column. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in this box. 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 4 in this big square should be here. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 3, 3, okay. 6, 7, and a 9. Need a 9 here. 9 there. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 in this box. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 in that box. So one box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Then let me see. 3, need a 3 there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 4, okay. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, third row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So one box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Yeah. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there then. Okay. How about the 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column? So the third column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 5. Here give me 5, we have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. Here give me 5, we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in the third column should be here. Then let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay, 5, 5. Then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in that box. So one box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 in the row above, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. 1. Then, let me see. 2. Need a 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 in that box. So one box left with a 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left with a 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left with a 3 should be there. 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here or there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Then 9 and 6. 6 and 1. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left is 7. Should be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Well. Come on. How about here? Need a 3. What the 5 then? Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in this box. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1. Okay. 6 and 8. Yeah. How about? Come on. 7. 7, come on. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here should be also the 6 and the 7 in the third column. We need a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in this box. We have 5 in the third column, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, last column. 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Okay. 6, 7, and 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can't see digit number 3, number 2. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and 7, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and the 6, we have a 7 now, so this box should be a 6. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 8 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there, 8 should be here, 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. Then 1 box left in this third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. Alright, and now mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in the second row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next to that column. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes, and there, finishing 15 minutes. Well, maybe I talk too much, but yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with our other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye.